Are you someone into photography business? Then you have stepped into the right place. Welcoming all to Manifesting Dream ADC. Here in Manifesting Dream ADC, I help people to have an incredible life. In Manifesting Dream ADC, in my channel, I talk about SEO, I talk about websites, I talk about how to make an ebook, I talk about law of attraction, I talk about finance and business and much more. So we can say that this is your one-stop solution for all your needs. So come, join my hands and let's grow together. If you are someone new, I take the opportunity to invite you to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new video notification. If you are someone who has already subscribed, first of all, thank you for all your support. Secondly, please don't forget to like, share and comment this video. Okay guys, so let's jump right into our video without wasting any time. So here in our topic, we are going to discuss on how to grow your photography. I know that this is for some people, this is their passion. For some, it is their livelihood. For all those persons who are taking this as a livelihood, I recommend you guys to grow your photography business. But now, it is something that we can say as turning passion into your profit. Okay, so yes, you can definitely reap a lot of profit out of your photography business. So here is your step number 1. What we are going to do or how we are stepping into photography business. While stepping into the photography business, our step number 1 is to select a niche that is low competition. We have to remember that we need not compete with all other people. We just want to compete with ourselves. We just want to make our own livelihood. We just want to make our own money. While taking a very high competitive niche, you are not going to become successful. So I recommend you to take that particular niche which is less used by industries, which is less used. See what the industries are not producing the good content, and you have to take those contents, you have to keep working on it, you have to do the research on that particular content, and what you need to do is you need to make that into the better content which everyone would think that yes, there is lot of scope in that particular content. This is something that you need to do. Just because someone is very busy in wedding photography, or someone is too much involved in content photography, or someone is too much into wildlife photography, or someone is too much into natural photography, it's not like that. You have to see in which area you are completely focused on, and you have to think that the area which you are completely focused on, whether you are having too much of competitors, then definitely I would 100% recommend you to stop that and to focus on some other niche which is less competitive, but at the same time you can reap the benefits out of it. So here is our step number 1, that is select a very low competitive niche and which can make your name on the top of that particular niche. So understood how to do it? Okay, now let's move on to our second topic or the second method. The second method is to give them irresistible offer. If you are some coffee business for the first time, the most difficult task that you will be facing is you won't be getting any clients, right? I know that this is such a hustle. I know this is very much difficult for you to get a client, and that too when you are a fresher in the town. So what you are supposed to do is you have to check for the events events in the town, and you have to make sure them that you contact each one of them through your email, and you can say them what and all things you are providing to them. You have to impress them through your email, and moreover you have to give them a free shoot. Yes, you heard it right. You have to give them a free shoot, because first of all you are a fresher and they doesn't know what sort of person you are, how skilled you are, right? So even you want some experiences, right? If no one is ready to pay you, or if no one is ready to give you an experience in this field, you have to give your own experience, right? So what you are supposed to do means you have to take those pics that you have already photographed in that previous events. You have to ask the permission of that particular or that specific person, and you have to take those images and put it in your website or put it in any of your social media. Then when the people starts to liking your content, they just click on all this in social media, whether you're posting in social media. Definitely if the picture is very gorgeous or very beautiful, lots and lots of people will be start commenting it, and lots of people will be giving you a thumbs up. And finally, when their D-Day or when their big day comes, or when any of the function is going on, they will highly recommend your name. This is how you gather, or this is how you get the clients. And here comes step number 2. If you are someone who is not interested in going for the events, then it's okay. The other way also we can use. The other way, what is the other way? The other way is quite simple. The other way is taking the photographs of your family, friends and relatives, and you have to project them, or you have to promote them through any of your social media. The social media plays a very vital role in our business today's date. This is highly important that you mainly focus on your task, and then you are putting that particular images into the social media. So next time lots of people sees that, when the people will remember your name, your friends will be recommending, everyone will be asking your relatives, hey, who has taken this pic? Your relatives or your friends will be asking, this pic is so beautiful, you look so good in this one, who has taken this pic? Then they will recommend your name. So next time whenever there is a chance, there is a wedding in their home, probably you would be the photographer of that event, right? So this is the step number 2. Okay, so and the other method is when some person is coming to you and asking for an appointment. That's pretty good. Everyone doesn't have that sort of good luck, so you are having a very good luck in this area. So if someone is approaching you, give them irresistible offer that particular person would never resist with. For example, you can talk to the clients what and all packages you are giving them, and also you can tell them bonus, we are giving 10 additional photographs, or we are giving a 30-minute free videograph, or you can say that we are giving you a honeymoon package for 1 day and 1 night. Like this, you can make some introductory offer. That name is said to be as an introductory offer, through which the clients will obviously stick with you, and through which you are getting benefits and they are also getting benefits. It is a two-way. So now here finishes our step number 2, that is by giving the irresistible discounts, or giving the irresistible value for the people who approaches you, right? Now here comes our step number 3. In step number 3 is nothing but, as I have already discussed in step number 2 itself, it is nothing but marketing. So now you have to know, now you have got photography business, now you are knowing, now you are a very skilled person. But what happens when you are not getting one event after the another event? So now what you are supposed to do? All you need is to you have to stick with the social media. You have to stick with any such platforms which are highly useful to you. Here I am going to give you 5 platforms in which you can turn your business into a very huge profit. The first one is website, the second one is Pinterest, third one is Facebook, fourth one is YouTube, and fifth one is Instagram. By posting your pictures into these social media, a lots of people will approach you for the business, or they will recommend your business to the other people. So I hope that these 3 methods are highly useful for you. In my next video, I will be telling you how you can do the business through the social media, that is through YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, through your website and all. So till then, take care, stay tuned, and bye bye. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Till then, bye bye.